Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. You must be fine hopefully today. And today we'll study again direct passage first and then indirect passage. Okay? And we'll take it sentence by sentence, understand it sentence by sentence. Okay, Ripple said to Munir, "You did not attend my birthday party." Okay, it will be because there is object clear in the body speech. What is the body speech?
The sentence
outside inverted commas. The part outside inverted commas is called reporting speech. Okay, this is all is reporting speech. Okay, so it will be referred to because there is object over here. Because the object Munir will use refer told Munir that to remove inverted commas. Okay, he did not. Present past simple will be changed into past perfect. Past perfect. Okay, so refer told Munir that he you will be changed according to the object of reporting speech. Some you will be changed according to the
object of
why you according to the object of the reporting speech? Because you is the second person and second person pronouns change according to the object of the reporting speech. That's the reason it will be changed, as it is a subjective case. So Munir means he. Okay. So that's the reason we'll write like this. Refer told Munir that he. Past simple will be changed into past perfect. That he hadn't attended her. My, which person pronoun it is? First person. Which case? Possessive case. So it will be changed according to
the subject of reporting speech.
Subject of reporting speech. That is the subject. That is the refer. Okay, it will be changed according to refer. Refer means
Subject.
Refer means, for example, Munir means he, and refer means she. Okay, and what is the possessive case of she? Her. It will be her over here. That's the reason we have put her over here. Okay, hadn't attended birthday party. So is it clear right now? Munir, refer told Munir that he hadn't attended our birthday party. Clear? I think I have explained each and every point to you. Next one is extremely sorry will be changed into apologized. This will be deleted. Okay? Munir apologized. It won't be apologized, it will be apologized for that. Okay, Munir apologized for that and will become over here and added another sentence we write and added. Okay, to join another sentence with this one we'll use and added that to remove inverted commas. Okay, that I will be changed according to which person pronoun is I?
First person.
You sit over here. Yes. Yes. It's a first person pronoun. It will be changed according to
Subject.
what is subject? Munir. Okay, Munir means
He.
Okay, it's a subjective case. Okay, it's already subjective case. That to remove inverted commas, that he It's already past perfect. Past perfect remains the same. That he had to go to my is the which person pronoun it is?
First person.
First person. It changes according to, and which case it is?
Possessive.
Possessive case, it will be changed according to
First person. Oh, subject.
subject. Okay. And what is the possessive case of he?
His.
His. That's the reason here we have put his. He had to go to his uncle's house. It will remain the same. Uncle's house in Multan, that will be same. And we have to join the next sentence. We'll write and to join the next sentence. And asked. How was the programming? He is asking. And asked how the program had been. Was is the past simple. It changes into past simple changes into past perfect. So and asked for the program, it will be changed into had been. Had been is the past perfect. Okay? How the program had been. Okay? Like the same. Then let me show you the photographs. Okay, let me show you the photographs, said Ripple. Okay. So here it will be, when we'll convert it into indirect speech, it will be, write suggested. Let me will be converted into suggested. Ripple said to Munir, okay. Said Munir is, something understood, okay. Though it is not written in the paragraph or in the passage, but it is understood. Rifat suggested to let is a verb, okay. So when reported speech starts with the verb or helping verb, we start with to. To let her, me will be changed according to the Rifat. Rifat means she, okay. And what does it mean? Which case it is?
Possessive.
I think it's objective case. It's objective case. And objective case of she is her. So it will be to let her show him the photographs. Okay. Rifat suggested to let her show him the photographs. Okay. That's how we'll change direct passage into indirect passage. Even then, if you have any questions or queries in your mind, you may ask me. And one more about pronunciation of these two words. How will pronounce this one? It's off. Okay, fast sound. Fast sound is clear. When we say, when it is double off, we say off. We pronounce fast sound. When it's single off, single F is there. Okay, we pronounce O. It will be pronounced like O, no fast sound. If single F is there, we'll pronounce it O. And it's off. Double F, off. Single F, off. Clear? I think it's okay. And you need practice, okay? And there is a lot of practice material. Not only I am the teacher on this planet Earth, there are many other teachers on YouTube. You can get benefit from their videos, from their lectures. They are, even the native speakers, they are explaining these direct and indirect speech, and they are explaining that very well. Okay? You may be perfect by following their videos, and the moment, look at the board please. What's your name, Shahid? Give me your ears, lend me your ears. You are looking somewhere else, okay? So when you are watching an English videos on direct and indirect speech, okay, you should have a register with you. You should note down the information. You should note down the pronunciation, how they pronounce the words, okay, and you should note down the rules and regulations, okay. That's how you will understand these things. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.